How to use Canva presentations for school or work. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Canva just like this, and then from here you'll need to log into your account, obviously. Then simply tap on the create icon right here, and then from there you will be able to see the option of presentations. Simply tap on that presentation option, and then from here you can now start creating your own presentation. Now you can simply search for any of the templates just like this, or you can even generate it. If you tap on here, you'll be able to see the option of presentation, and now you can describe your exact design idea, and your AI will also be able to the Canva AI will also be able to generate yourself a one. So simply tap on search, and now then I'm going to select one of the templates. All you need to do is, if you're satisfied with all of the pages, tap on apply all 10 pages. Then from here you can now start editing all of your text and everything that you need according to the exact presentations for your school or project. And then from there, all you need to do is simply tap on upload, or either you can share it or you can present it directly. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.